Welcome folks to How to Be a Bird Whisperer. If you're anything like me and you're kind of bored and don't have pets, not a problem. I'm going to teach you how to have birds on you. Aloha and welcome to my video on how to be a bird tamer, bird whisperer, all of the above. All you're going to need for this practice is a piece of bread, a smile, and a whole lot of trust. Now, first things first, if you don't currently have birds that fly up to you, but you see birds in the distance, perfect. Get your bread, get a few pieces, and just start throwing. Down to the grass, boom. Another rule, patience, patience. Well, looky. I've attracted some birds. A pigeon right under my feet, right on the table. Check this shit out. See, folks? Just like that. Now that you've got your bird and your bread, you want to build trust. So you're going to want to keep the bread in your hand and just like that. If you're too scared to use your hand, we'll just gnaw right off this. Now we trust each other. Wow, you're just so beautiful. Okay. Can you sit? Another bird tip, pigeons are probably the easiest to tame. Oh, all right. We've got two. One. Oh, hold on. Some of them may get a little aggressive, like this guy here. Just gotta show him who's boss. Hey. And the boss is whoever has the food. And you just make weird noises, and that works out to split them up. You just hold it out here if they get too close. Freaks you out? Okay, let's find some other birds. And another tip, if you have something to line up breadcrumbs, perfect. Check this shit out. Okay, well this is for the little guys that are scared to come up here. Patience, young grasshopper. Whoa, mind your space. 6 feet. If you're real brave and you've gained all the trust of the birds, great. Now it's time to get them to land on you. Again, we take the bread and we put it in our hand.
Ooh.
Ta-da!
Okay, I'll share it with you. Oh, they grab all.
Yeah, you gotta tell them who's boss.
Just put it into pieces and then just grab it. There.
There you have it, folks.
Wow.
Thanks for tuning in, folks. Hope you learned a few tips on how you too can be a bird whisperer. Back to you.